Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Monopoly Go offer. The offers, to know how to fix or how to solve offers on Monopoly Go. You should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we will search about the application of Monopoly Go and we click. Then in this list we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.